Hi guys, today we're going to be making slime. It's going to look like this. It's colorful because I put it in a Play-Doh bucket thing. But it's going to look like this, and then we're going to put sparkles in it. Okay, let's get straight to it. So, what we're going to do is you're going to need flour, oil, water, and a bowl mixed like a little mixer thing. And then you're going to need something to put the flour and oil in, like this. Okay, I already put my flour in, if you can see that. So now, what you're going to do is, sorry, I'm opening the water. Okay, you're going to put just a little bit of water, not too much. If you put too much, it's going to be too watery. Now you're going to mix that together, like that. Now, I didn't make too much of this, but if you want a lot, get a big bowl and make a lot of it. Now we're going to add the oil. If you put too much, it's going to be watery, so it might be a little too much. So I'm just going to bring it over here and do that. Okay, now we're going to mix it together like this. Now, just like that, you're going to keep it there for 1 minute, like that. It's going to look like that for a second. Looks kind of weird. Okay, we're going to leave it like that, and we're going to get the sparkles, if there is any. Sorry guys, but I don't think there is any sparkles. Okay, let's get back to this. So what we're going to do, play with it for a few. See, like that. Okay, and now we're going to bring it out like that. Now it's going to be a little messy at first, but that's why we're playing with it, to make it not. Okay. Now, here's your slime. Thank you guys for watching, and hope you like the slime. Bye!